Hi there. This is the story of NUBURU. Ticker symbol BURU. Right now the market cap is about $29 million and the price 22 cents. In recent days, this price has increased quite a lot. A nice increase, over a double, better said. And the most important question is whether this company is a great buy at the current market cap and price. As you can see, the market cap is quite small. And the answer, you will find it in this box. During this video, I'll open the box and you'll find the answer here. Now, to understand my answer, you have to look at this company, what they do, and what's their next steps, their opportunities. If you look at the revenue over the last 3 years, 1.4 million revenue, 2 million, 23, 24, a decline to 150k, and for the first half of 2025, zero money. They made no money. And if you look at their earnings, huge losses compared to their revenue. A loss of 14 million, a loss of 20 million, a loss of 34 million, and for the first half of 2025, a loss over 21 million. So how come the market cap is higher than the revenue, 29 million, even if they make no money? Let's see, maybe they have something on their balance sheet. If you check their balance sheet, cash 100k, 111k to be more precise, and debt 11 million. So they have no revenue, high losses over 21 million, and debt about 11 million, but still the price went up a lot in recent days and the market cap is around 29 million. So how come? Well, you have to look at their business, what they do. They selling blue laser technology to industrial applications. This is what they did so far. They tried to sell their laser, they made some money, 1 million, 2 million, but then no sales. And then they switched a turnaround. Focus on defense, to sell their laser and integrate their laser into defense applications. And they expect for Q4 2025, 500k in revenue. This is good, an increase compared to their 0 and 2024. But then they expect another 50 million in revenue from future acquisitions. And when you have 50 million in revenue, if they can deliver 50 million in revenue, just compare. Revenue 50 million, current market cap 29 million. Yes, you can see that market cap is undervalued. But if also at the higher multiple, if they continue to grow, market cap can go over 100, 200 million. So from this level, 3x, 5x, easily. Only if they deliver 50 million in revenue and they continue to increase this revenue. And there are some companies they want to acquire, Techni, Orbit, and others. And if that happens, yes, NUBURU right now is a cheap company. And if you invest right now, yes, we can have more than 3x, 5x, or even more. The market cap can go to 200 million or 500 million. That can happen. Especially if they include AI, as we have this AI boom right now. Now, what's the trick with this company? Can they do that? Well, 50 million is not that much. They might achieve the number. We never know. But let's look also the risk, right? Here, number of shares. 23, 35 million. First half, 2025, 70 million. So they double the number of shares in just 1 year. 2x. And more recently, if you check, again, they almost double the number of shares in just a few months. From 70 million to over 142 million. And this means dilution. You have the risk of dilution. And they are likely to issue more shares because they have no profits. And to cover their losses, they issue more shares, raise money from investors, and fund their operations in the hope they will do more money in the future, 50 million revenue, and maybe they can become profitable. Now, the big question mark is, can they deliver 50 million? And then, can they become profitable? In my view, yes, they might deliver this revenue, 50 million. But to become profitable, unlikely, and dilution will reduce your interest in this company. So your value over time will go down. It's like this. You own a piece of land right now, 100%, right? Next day you find out no longer own 100%, but 80% because they issue more shares and you have to divide this piece of land with more people. You have more shareholders. And if they double again the number of shares, you'll own 40%. Because you have to divide this piece of land with more people. When a company issues more shares, they bring more shareholders. And you have to divide your piece of land or your piece of business more people. Now, if the value of this land goes higher than the increase in the number of shares, then you are with plus. You can make money. Just be aware of this illusion. And then you have to ask yourself, yes, what they say so far. Blue laser technology. Can they maintain this revenue of 50 million over a longer period, over the next 3 to 5 years? Because if they can't, and this is just one-time project, they sell it, 50 million, that's it, then you are in big trouble. So yes, from this level, the market cap can increase. You might reach 500 million. I mean, they may reach 500 million market cap. That can happen. But over a longer period, 3 to 5 years, the valuation will drop because of this massive dilution. So to open the box and show you the answer here, the answer is no. It's not a great investment because of the huge risk. Yes, if you want to bet on this turnaround, but be aware, this company right now is pure speculation. Don't know for sure. They have no advantage, and if you get in, you might get burned. Now, if you want to stop losing money, I mean, after the increase and decline, you will see your return. It might be with minus or with plus, depends on you when you get in and out. But if you want to stop losing money with companies like this, simply go to my profile, press join, and choose Titan Investor. And there you have access to my portfolio. And my performance has been over 40% a year over the last 4 years. Every time I make a transaction, I will make a new video only for you. And you know what I buy and what I sell. So you can achieve the same performance and even better. Plus, you also get access to an investing course. I will take advantage of those opportunities and avoid bad companies. And also other in-depth analysis. If you want me to analyze a company, I'll do a video only for you. And bonus, get access to the previous level, Spartan and Gladiator. So see you there if you want to make real money and high profits with low risk. That's it for this video.